Hello everyone, today we will see an essay on the topic If I Were a Bird. It's a 20 lines essay. So let's begin. First line. If I were a bird, I would have colorful feathers. I would fly high in the sky and see the world from above. I would build a nest in a tall tree. My nest would be warm and safe for my little bird family. I would sing beautiful songs every morning. People would wake up to my sweet melodies. I would travel to many places without needing a map. I could visit forests, mountains, and oceans. Flying would make me feel free and happy. I would make friends with other birds. We would fly together and have fun in the sky. I would eat tasty fruits, seeds, and worms. Finding food would be an exciting adventure every day. In winter, I would migrate to a warmer place. I would see different seasons and weather. I would watch sunsets and sunrises from high up. My wings would be strong from flying every day. I would escape from danger quickly by flying away. People would admire my beauty and grace. Being a bird would be an amazing and joyful life.